Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Natalia, my name is, and today we have diamond painting unboxing. What make this special? OMG, I'm so excited. First of all, thanks to Metodeals, that's the name of the store, and I still don't know if I pronounce correctly store or not. I'm so sorry if this is not the pronunciations, but you know me. So in here I have two designs that actually my own designs that I create them with AI generated program, and you can order them if you wish. It will be at the store as artist zone. Up there you can see many other designers up there, and of course I will appreciate if you order. I will receive token of appreciation from the store for you buying these designs. So let me show you. I showed you before already that you can order on a website. There's some other stores as well. I have my designs, and today I decided to review some of them. So let me get this situated and we can start. I will start with little preview of memory to my childhood. Who remember, if you have that toy, it's like you looking in a little tube with the magnifying glass on the end. I think it's called Kaleidoscope. I don't know if that's in English the same words or not. And have inside little plastic or little colorful glass. So when you turn, it will create beautiful design on the inside. I love this so much. I wish I can find the toy again. And I think I saw somewhere on a Chinese store, one of them store. So I decided to create one of those kaleidoscope that really called me into my childhood back for the sweet memory of this precious gift that I had from my father, and I wanted to make one. Now the picture I did not open. I don't know what to expect. This is the first time. But as you know, the designs from Metodeals store have this velvet fabric design. Nicely scallop cut in here. And we have tools. Let's see the tools. This is medium size tray, not the biggest one. 1 placer and 3 placer pen. Cheap version of the tweezers that I really don't even recommend to put them into the toolkit because I don't like this kind of tweezers. They are very cheap and don't do much. Okay, so that's the toolkit, but still I would say it's a still good toolkit. Okay, next one, let me, oh, this one with AB diamonds, awesome. Let me show you this design. I like the purple colors, and it's just exactly like, you know, I would remember when you turn in this glass, and every time you turn glass fall different direction, and all the time you would see different designs. So I just decided to create this. Here's in a paper if you want to. Okay, maybe not like that. And I like mandalas or kaleidoscope. I call it usually mandala, but this one mandala, not just a mandala, but also like a beautiful background. And here is on a paper to look how this looks like actual picture without being pixelated. Here it is. Lots of beautiful colors in here, and I hope you like it. So if you don't, I totally understand. Not everybody like mandala. And here we have 35 colors, size 30 by 55 centimeters with AB diamonds. And how many AB diamonds we have in here? 1, 2, 3. 3 colors. Let's see first of the design. I'm excited. I think we have with you, which one designs we have with you in review. I know that 2 stores already, brand new stores that I review for you, I did whip and chat. And look at this one. Look at this layer of glue. Look how beautiful. Let's see symbol wise. It is kind of darker spots in here, and it's so shiny that I can't even. Yeah, I wish the purple would be like a white symbols created. I can see them actually. And the purple kind of little bit, maybe it feels like blend in first, but when you look by the color background and just follow the color, so it shouldn't be trouble to make. Each symbol has their own background, I guess, to coordinate with diamonds. But what do you think? I'm a little proud in here, you know, that's my design, and I definitely going to work on it to see how this looks like in diamonds, if it's good or not, or I have to work next time a little bit harder to create better. Here is diamonds, AB. Oh, this is lots of big bag. A little bit of red, blue, it's a good amount, but this one purple, that's a lots of AB diamonds in here. Wow, that's a big bag. What kind of symbols? 33. Hold on. Let's check it out. Well, basically it doesn't matter which way you're looking at, this way or this way. Now it's upside down to you, but it's the same design, so it doesn't matter, right? 33A. I want to see where the AB color will go. It's kind of background. There's everywhere background. So this is going to be so sparkle. Nice. And the red one, question mark. And question mark we have like also for the background. I don't see inside of mandala. So it's going to be an outside, I guess, though, the sparkle shimmer pretty color. And the blue, 35. Symbol E. Lots for the background. We have some in the centers in here. Yeah, it's everywhere. And here is the rest of the colors. Let's see what kind of colors we have in here. Just to show you like the prettiest one. Look at how nice and bright. This is beautiful combo. Beautiful combo. Lots of blue. Bright yellow, some green. Even brown looks nice, like it's a nice shading of this one family. Kind of like a fall time. Okay, so that's exciting. That's exciting. Thank you so much, Metodeals, to creating for me this custom diamond painting that everyone can order if you like. Okay, so let's see another one. Another one I'm just super excited about. Another one because it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let me show you what we're going to have now. Oh my god, and this one is a big one. This one is a biggie. Look at this. Okay, I think now I have everything in here. Toolkit, and it's a new, oh no, same kit as the other one, so there's nothing new in here. I'm just going to put up there. Let's see. Okay, this one is a big one. Okay, some extra wax. This one's square diamonds. Oh no, there's also AB diamonds in here. So this one's square. You can see that it's a very like a muted colors in here. Mostly browns and gray. A little bit of green, mossy kind of color. So we're not going to open this one. But I see in here we have some AB diamonds. And design, oh my god. I hope you're gonna like it. Well, also has all of their designs with the velvet, good quality canvases. Okay, are you ready to see design? Look at her. Look at her. She's such a sweetheart. Oh my goodness, I love her. So I wanted to create, I think I named her Sunshine Girl. She is one of those little, I don't know, she even looked like to me like my little niece. I don't know. A blonde girl with lots of, I think it's like a daisy flowers around her with the butterflies. I wanted to create a full of life girl, and she looks so good in here. I just hope her face skin not going to be too dark, because I can see the lots of dark colors, like, but she has lots of like a shady area, so hopefully they will create like nice on a color wise. If I would start working on her, I would probably would start to see from the face. But then look at how pretty this beautiful blue butterfly, daisies, also kind of like a smudged background, because I wanted girl to be first of the center. Her pretty hair, I love her. Personally, I really love her. And they created to me, like I didn't, yeah, there's, I think there's also lots of sizes up there, and also, I'm not sure if you can create with different diamonds, if you don't like square diamonds. I can't remember, I have to check this out. But all the links will be under my video in the description box, and the link to the store. So you can go check it out. You can check it out. What else I have up there in Artist Zone, under the header at the top at the website, you will see Artist Zone, and you can see my other designs. Excuse me. We have in here 45 colors. Okay, that's a lot of colors, I have to say. Okay, look at this one picture in here in the paper. She looked nice and light in here, so looking at a canvas in here, she looked a little bit darker, her face, so hopefully she's not going to be too dark for my liking, but we have to see, because like right now I see lots of dark colors in here. I hope they don't match exactly colors of the diamonds. But AB diamonds, how many we have in here? Let's check it out. Only 2 colors in here of AB diamonds, 44 and 45. So we have gold, that's a big bag as well, of AB diamonds, and their AB diamonds are so pretty. And we have a bag of brown. Okay, look at this one, AB diamonds. I don't think I put before like this color on a tray to see. Let's check it out, this brown one. I know I showed you last time yellow, I think, but because it's in here only 2 colors, let's check them out close to the camera. I love AB diamonds, how they shine, playing with lots of different colors. Oh, so beautiful overlight, the way I see it right now. The way I see it right now, it's so pretty. Oh, look at this pink. And okay, hold on. How about now? Oh yeah, now look at this light, how gorgeous. I love those pinks. It's like you turn on different side and they shimmer with different colors, from green to yellow to pink and even kind of like a purple. That is beautiful. Should we see the yellow as well? Since it's only 2 colors, might as well check them out. Yeah, I really want to see if the face on her not going to be too dark. Canvas looks kind of darker, maybe just because I'm looking at it from close up. Depends what kind of diamond's going to be on her, right? But she looks nice. Okay, look at this one. diamonds. How beautiful, how close we can see them. This is okay. Now diamonds a little bit more. Oh, this one shine. Look how beautiful those pinks and green and yellow. Amazing, amazing. It's going to be so sparkle. Not sure where this color will go yet. Probably on the flowers, on the daisy flowers. I want to see what kind else, because that first pack of diamonds, like very dark colors in here, and I want to see what we're going to have with her in here. That is kind of brighter colors. I assume this one probably going to be maybe for her lips colors. There's some blue for the butterflies. And there's more blue in here as well. There's a purple color a little bit. Yeah, and lots of green. Well, obviously lots of green because that's the design looks like. Yeah, but isn't she sweet? And I have up there, I think 2 more different designs of this girl and different kind of angle. So check it out. Let me, tell me what you think about those designs, and if I should try to create something else. But she is gorgeous. I really love her. 45. And I am going to review, so this video you should see probably Friday. So Saturday we will see another unboxing, and it's going to be another of my design I will show you. And then I have one more box to review that I will probably put on Monday, because Monday for me will be available next day to record the video, because the other days will be for cross stitch. So right now I'm trying to record and upload first designs, that is unboxing first, and then we're going to do whips and chat. But oh my god, she is the sunshine. She is so pretty. Alright my friends, this is it for this video today. Check it out, Metodeals diamond painting store. Have lots of different designers, artist zone up there. Many gorgeous designs. It's diamonds quality is really beautiful, and I am going to test her out. She is big though, but I'm going to start from her face. I will somehow maybe cut clear paper kind of in this piece, so I do not open the sides, just to open face, and the other area wouldn't be non-sticky, and try to see if she's going to be nice and cheery or very dark. Then I will have to ask to redo if something, but I think just because it's a shady area under the hair, and she has lots of blush, that's why it looks dark to me. Beautiful blonde hair. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I cannot handle this cuteness. She has such a pretty smile, and she has little like freckles on her face, I think. Beautiful. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this, and I will see you tomorrow with another unboxing video.